Noodles mukbang, y'all. These noodles good. I ain't gonna lie, I had to kind of restart the video because, you know, sound from other phones and all that. So I'm trying to kind of get back in kind of like mukbang mode in a sense. No, I did a mukbang this morning, but other from today, like months back, I haven't been doing like no mukbangs. So I'm trying to kind of get back into it. I'm probably gonna post this one on my second channel. You know, I'm trying to get I'm trying to get my second channel to at least, you know, 100 videos. I'm finna see, I don't know where I'm at on my second channel when it comes down to videos, how many videos I've done. I don't know how many have I done yet. Hold on. Yeah, I'm at 91. But they good, man. These noodles. Like after I'm done, like with the noodles, I would just like, I like to pour off like a lot of the water. That's just me. And I like to put my seasoning. I already put the seasoning in it. But I like to put my seasoning in it after. That's just me. I know a lot of y'all probably saying, oh, them noodles look dry. Whatever. Bro, it is what it is, man. That's how I like them. Because when water be in it, it's like the sauce be in the water. And then when I eat the noodles, I barely taste like the sauce. To me, I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but that's just my taste buds. I don't know. Hey, like me, like I don't mind having my noodles kind of like dry. I mean dry to my jaw. Dry just to like, I really taste the sauce when it's kind of like dry. And after I done cooking them, I put the sauce on. I really taste the sauce a lot more. That's just me. You know, everybody got a different intake on noodles and stuff like that. How they cook. Everybody got their own way how they like what they like. I know I see a lot of people doing like spicy noodles and all that. I ain't into all that, but no, I just ain't into it. Pretty gonna get my drink real quick. I'll be right back. I ain't gonna lie, that was good, man. I'm probably gonna yeah, like I said, man, most likely I'm gonna put this on my second channel just for some more content. I'm trying to get my second channel to at least 100 videos for the year out. Like I said, man, I'm in grind mode. And it feel good. It feel good to like I said, man, tap into my second channel again and get y'all some videos. I'm about to watch this plate real quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. You know, a lot of y'all, man, I ain't saying all y'all, but a lot of people, man, when they done eating, they just leave their dishes in the sink, man. For your mama or whoever. Y'all gotta stop being lazy. Wash your own dishes. It don't just be kids doing this, be adults too now. Wash your own dishes. Ain't nobody gonna clean up after your mom, man. Gotta dry the dishes off. You don't want that water be draining it. You don't want no other one. Yeah, y'all, I appreciate y'all, man, for definitely tuning in. Get my sauce. Yeah, but I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. Like I said, I'm trying to bring different content. I know it's kind of dark a little bit, but I know I'm trying to bring a little bit of different content for y'all. I don't want to keep bringing, the same content